Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a delicious and flavorful dish, rice with shiitake mushrooms and olive oil. Let's dive right in. To start, take some packaged cooked rice and gently crush it to separate the grains. Soak the dried shiitake mushrooms overnight until they become tender and plump. Now we'll create a delectable sauce using the soaking water from the mushrooms. In a bowl, mix light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, a splash of cooking wine, and a pinch of sugar. This will give our dish a perfect balance of flavors. Heat up a pan with some oil and stir fry the diced shiitake mushrooms and dried shrimp until their aroma fills the air. Pour in the prepared sauce and let it simmer over medium-low heat. As the sauce thickens and coats the mushrooms and shrimp beautifully, it's time to add the cooked rice. Mix everything together until every grain is infused with that delightful sauce. Your kitchen will be filled with amazing aromas. Turn off the heat and it's time to serve. Scoop the mouth-watering rice with shiitake mushrooms and olive oil into a bowl. For an extra touch of freshness, you can sprinkle some chopped scallions on top. And there you have it. Your savory and fragrant rice with shiitake mushrooms and olive oil is ready to delight your taste buds. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my future delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!